Are you ready for lunch?
Yeah? That's your plate, isn't
I
it?
think you're going to like this. It's something new. But I think you're going to like it.
Oh, cut them up into smaller pieces.
Can you say more?
Yeah.
More? More.
For 'em.
Can you say thank you? Good job. Can you say please? Please. Can you say hot? Hot. What's cold? Cold.
Milk for him already?
Yeah, there's 2 in there.
No, I don't know which one is from this morning. But...
Some noodles.
There you go.
Oh, you just got a bunch of milk on your shirt. Lucas, can you wave bye-bye? Say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ah, good job.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Are you hungry? Yeah? Are you ready for lunch? Yeah, that's some of the lunch. That's milk. Yeah, that's milk. The milk goes in your belly, yeah.
You get milk from the cow, don't you?
Are you ready to pray? Can you fold your patties? Good job. Good job.
Okay, let's pray.
Oh.